So far, we are happy. We've moved to several polling stations, and I can say that it's been very peaceful. At this point, I can commend the Electoral Commission. I can commend the Ghana Police Service. I can also commend both political parties. I think that we've conducted ourselves very well. I've met a lot of my friends from the opposition NDC, and we've exchanged pleasantries. I mean, that is the beauty of this game. There's no tension. I've said it before, and I'll say it again, that we came to meet Asin North in peace, and it is important that we leave Asin North in peace as well. So far, so good. I think we have close about 4 hours more to go to the close of polls, and it is my expectation that within this 4 hours too, we would continue to see the kind of peaceful atmosphere we've already observed, maybe for the first 6 hours or so. Yes.
Right. You've mentioned how peaceful the process has been. There's been reports of an individual identified as a military personnel at Asin Breku, and there have been reports as well of a journalist being attacked and all of that. Has this come to your attention as a party, and your concerns on some of these? Before I come to even allegations that are being made against you.
I have not been briefed about these issues you just made mention of, but I think that there will be pockets of, minor incidents. I mean, that is expected. And even from Breku, I also heard that somebody who voted, the person intended to take a picture of his ballot, got arrested. I mean, these are pockets of incidents you would find across within the constituency in several polling stations. It could be. So I'm not surprised about these things. So the most important thing is, if some of these small issues has not degenerated into severe violent atmosphere, and that is what we are seeking to prevent. And we need to just go about our own. I mean, you met me here. I met Fifi Kwete. I met Mustafa Gbandi. I mean, we exchanged pleasantries. Yeah. We were moving. We shook hands. I mean, we are colleagues. So I don't think that there's that tension within the Asin North enclave. I don't think so.
Right.
But some of these issues, I think that it is really within the control of the Ghana police. So far, they've done so well.
Right, and just on that bit, we've been here, and we were live a short while ago where there's been trading of accusations, really, particularly here, about voter inducement. Since we've been here, we've seen certain individuals seeking to take voters' IDs of some of the voters, writing down their ID details and the likes, presupposing a plot by some to induce voters. The NDC has flatly accused you of seeking to induce voters to win this particular by-election. How does the party respond to this?
Maybe the NDC is trying to prepare the grounds for their own failures. They are going to lose these elections, and I think that is what they are trying to prepare the minds of Ghanaians that, look, if we lose, it means that MPP bought the conscience of the people of Asin North. I mean, that is an insult. I think that they are discerning people, and so far, I'm even impressed with the voter turnout. I mean, usually by-elections will not come with such, voter turnout euphoria we are seeing in these by-elections. I'm happy, but I think these accusations are false. They are mere fabrications. It is just an attempt to cover up their impending failure. And I think that some of these allegations, without any concrete proof, if you cannot substantiate them, I don't think that this is something that we need to waste some time on. Look, we have serious business ahead of us, and that is what should rather occupy our minds. Yes.
Just a bit more on that. It's not just here. We've been to quite a number of places where the conversations, even not from political parties, but even from the persons who are voting, they allude to having received monies in one way or form. I've met someone who's just finished voting who openly told me that they received money after voting. Is it a sign of concern, people openly speaking about vote buying in a manner like this, devoid of even the carte blanche accusation from the NDC that it is you who is behind this?
Oh, as I said, as a national organizer, we don't have any plan of sharing money. We've not shared any money. These are naked, lies, vile propaganda. I think that we just need to disregard it. But however, I have also not encountered any voter who said that the NPP gave money or the NDC gave money. For me, I think that they are voting. There's, a huge voter turnout, and that is it. I'm here to verify this claim, and I will verify it as well. So I cannot at this point verify it.
Right. Just finally on security concerns, just briefly, which will come up. What's the plan for you as a party as we draw close to the end of the elections? We know that yesterday we were with the chairman when he assured commitment and trust in the police service to enhance all of this. Unfortunately, I have to say accusations again, but yes, there's been accusations again from your counterparts that you're seeking to go past all of these assurances you've given to deploy your own security personnel to handle things.
I don't think so. I mean, you are here. You can see the large and, presence of the police here. I mean, they are here. They are very visible. And I think that they have, they are in charge of what they are doing. I've been to several places where, yes, you can see that the police is in charge. So again, it is not true that the NPP intends to usurp the powers and authority of the Ghana police in providing safety for us. I don't think so. That is why I'm saying that some of these accusations sometimes it's just, a preparatory stage for any group of persons who intend to reject a particular verdict coming. So that is how I see it. All of these accusations are baseless, and I think that the NDC will lose this election, and when they lose, they will want to go behind some of these reasons and say that these are the reasons why they lost. And that is what they have started doing. All of these things are baseless accusations. Thank you very much.
Nana, thank you.